You clicked on this video, which means you want to solve all the questions based on the concept of product of electrolysis. I took a look at Doubtnut's database and analyzed all the questions and its variations. Surprisingly, this concept is simple but with few exceptions. So stop reading the comments and please give your full attention. Case 1. If the electrolyte is aqueous or dilute. In addition to the cation and anion which is given in the question, H plus cation and OH minus anion comes from the water since aqueous is mentioned. This H plus ion competes with the other cation to get electrolyzed at the cathode. Similarly, the OH minus anion from water competes with the other anion to get electrolyzed at the anode. The result of this competition is decided by the priority orders. Here you can see D block cations dominates H plus ions, which means D block cations will be electrolyzed at cathode. Similarly, H plus ions dominates P block and S block cations. Same for anions, OH minus dominates nitrates and sulfate ions. Halogen ions like chloride, bromide and iodides dominates OH minus ions. Case 2. If the electrolyte is fused or molten, then it is simple, no need to follow the priority order. Because you have only one type of cation and anion. Case 3. All these rules are valid only when the electrodes are inert, like platinum or graphite. If the electrode is not inert and it is the same element as the cation, then the same cation will be the product at the cathode and no need to follow the priority order for cation. But this variant is least likely to be asked. This simple theory has two exceptions. Don't worry to overcome that, you need to memorize the order of discharge potential, which is derived from the table 3.1 of standard electrode potential order in CERT. Most importantly, one must remember the order of discharge potential is inversely proportional to the order of deposition. Now you will ask me why this concept of discharge potential is needed. Okay, now try to solve this one. Product of electrolysis of aqueous potassium fluoride in inert electrodes. Pause the video, try to solve it. If your answer is H2 gas and F2 gas, congratulations. The correct answer is H2 and O2. You can solve this only if you know the priority order or standard electrode potential table. If you are confused right now, don't worry, just remember, this new 100% working priority order which is made for NEET level exam. But at JEE level, you must solve these questions, only based on the standard electrode potential table of 3.1. Honorable insert exception. When concentrated sulfuric acid is electrolyzed, H2 gas is released at cathode and S2O82- ions are released at anode. For practice, pause the video and try to solve these solved questions. Congratulations, now you have learned all the variations, now you can solve all the problems in a snap.